Nasa Smoking Tiger lang kami. Let's buy coffee. Let's go get 45. Uh-oh. Let's try this.
Ooh.
Oh, I wanna try this.
Okay, is cold coffee with you? Back, and here's your buzzer for your drinks.
Thank you.
Of course.
Come on, Levi.
For you.
Sweet purple yan for Levi. Kasang natin yung mga coffees. Tapos, park na tayo kasi
big bite.
hindi ako nakapag-workout kanina sa bahay. Kaya we need to walk.
Oh, sige.
Get it!
That's dirty. Ew. Don't.
Yun na yung coffee natin. Let's go get them.
And your straw.
Thank you, Daddy.
There you
Yes, stickers. Thank you. Levi, look Okay, let's go.
Come on.
Come on, babe. Daddy and I got their new drinks. Let's try Daddy's coffee. Hindi match yung parang Yakult dun sa coffee. Try natin yung sa akin, matcha. Mas masarap yung order ko kaysa sa order ni Daddy ngayon. May dala lang akong bag kasi yung dala ko yung camera. Tapos ayan, para lalagyan sa phone. Pero ito lang, outfit. Iniwan na tayo ni Levi. Nauna na siya sa park,
Sige, bye.
sa playground. Nagtatanggal pa ng shoes.
Nakita niyo yun. Bataw lang sa bata.
Tinanggal niya yung sapatos niya, guys. Iniwan niya dito, OMG.
Okay yan. Wait, kaninong bata ka? Ay,
Ayan. Ayan. Iniwan yung sapatos. Tao.
Talagay ko dito makakapag-walk na yun.
Diyos ko, I need my steps, anak.
Wala. Ano ka mamaya? Treadmill.
Give me at least, 30 minutes.
Dali.
I need to walk. Ang ganda.
This is more.
Ang cute yung...
Look.
I like it here. And si Levi and Daddy. And our view. Creepy. Outfit check.